in India itself. All eyes are on the Supreme Court, which will announce today its verdict on the legal recognition of same-sex marriages in the country. This is a landmark case for the LGBTQ plus rights in the country and follows a historic judgment by the Supreme Court in 2018 that decriminalized homosexuality. The top court bench, led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, heard arguments in the case between April and May this year and reserved its order on the 12th of May. The hearings were held after 18 same-sex couples filed petitions before the court seeking recognition of their relationship with the legal and social status of marriage. The Indian government, as well as some states, had opposed these appeals and had stated that the parliament is the right platform to discuss the matter, which requires a wider debate. Now, during the hearings, petitioners argued that India is a marriage-based culture and that LGBTQ couples should be granted the same rights as any heterosexual couple. They demand status of spouse in financial, banking and insurance issues, as well as medial and end-of-life decisions, inheritance, succession, and even adoption and surrogacy. The petitioners sought recognition under the Special Marriage Act as well as the Foreigners Marriage Act in cases where one of the partners is a foreigner. Now, they cited provisions of the Indian Constitution, the UN Human Rights Declaration, as well as various international conventions and laws passed in other countries giving equal rights to the community. Currently, in 34 nations around the world, same-sex marriage is legal, while Estonia's Parliament passed a law legalizing same-sex marriage that will come into effect January 1st, 2024. Now, the Indian government had argued that marriage is traditionally seen as a bond between a man and a woman, reflecting long-standing religious, cultural and social norms. The government stressed that the importance of legal stability and continuity, arguing against any abrupt changes that may trigger societal instability. Among its other slew of arguments, the government highlighted that same-sex relationships are decriminalized and LGBTQ plus citizens have rights, but marriage legalization is a separate issue with broader implications.